name is Joseph from 5th standard. Today I am going to explain about some animals. There are three main creatures in the world. The first creature is human beings, the second creature is animals, the third creature is plants. Today we are going to talk about some animals. First we are going to talk about lion. Lion is said to be the king of the forest, but it's not actually the king of the forest. It's actually the king of the savannah, cause lion does not live in forest. Actually lives in a place called savannah. Savannah is a place where it is half desert and half grassland. Female lions hunt the most, and male lions are often being spotted lazy. But male lions defend their territory from being attacked by other lions. Lions can hunt very stealthily, but male lions are not a bit stealthy. Male lions will chase their prey to hunt it. Next we are going to see about deer. Deer is the first most preyed animal in the animal kingdom. It can be preyed by any animal. Preyed means killed or hunted. Example: lion, tiger, leopard, fox, wolf, lynx, jackal, hyena, cheetah. These animals can hunt deer without any problem. Deer are actually herbivore. Herbivore means plant-eating animals. Deer can be sometimes seen fighting. These deer fight for their mates. Next we are going to see about tiger. If you want to know about the real king of the forest, the tiger is the king of the forest because it lives in the forest and feeds for almost anything. It is so brave that it can even hunt elephants by its group. Tigers fought lion. If tigers fought lion, the winner would be mostly tiger because the tiger is double the weight of the lion and has a strong bite force and a strong paw kick. There's a fun fact about tiger. If you see at the tiger's tongue, there are small thorns in its tongue. This will cause a few licks from a tiger's jaw is equal to a blood flowing hand. Next we are going to see about elephant. Elephant is the largest animal in the animal kingdom. Elephants, there are two types of elephants, African elephant and Asian elephant. If you want to spot the difference between these two elephants, African elephants are mostly found in Africa, Asian elephants are mostly found in Asia. African elephants are a bit larger than Asian elephants. Elephants are actually herbivores. Herbivores means I told you at last time. Herbivores, because the elephant is herbivorous, it won't hunt any prey, causing no damage to humans. Only if it not got any food in its territory, it comes into human lands and destroys our crops. Next we are going to see about leopard. Leopard is almost the third most stealthy cat. Leopard is so stealthy that it can hunt even a deer without any traces of killing or blood spilling. Leopard can climb trees or rocks. Leopard can hunt even foxes and sometimes can be seen hunting lynx, deer and stag and other small animals. Next we are going to see about fox. Fox is almost the second smallest canine in the canine family. Canines includes fox, wolf, jackal, hyena and many more creatures such as dog and other ones. Fox can be seen rarely in group because fox are solitary animals. Solitary means alone living animals. It spends its whole life alone except for mating season. Fox can be seen eating their favorite foods. Their favorite foods are rats, koalas, and other small animals, but it can be rarely seen eating deer. Next, we are going to see about bear. Bear is actually an omnivore. Omnivore means it can eat both meat and grass. If it cannot have meat in an area, it can eat grass and survive in that area. Bear's favorite food is salmon. Salmon is a fish which is high costly. Bears can be seen in zoos. The most common bear is grizzly bear. A bear is so dangerous that it can hunt. Sometimes it can be seen hunting some big animals. Next, we are going to see about kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal which can hop very high, that it can hop to wide 30 feet. Kangaroos have a small pouch to carry its baby livings. Kangaroos can be seen with full muscles. Kangaroos wield muscles to make mates see him and come to him to mate. This will attract female kangaroos. Kangaroos is so powerful that its punch can even kill an animal. Next, we are going to see about zebra. Zebra is the second most preyed animal in the animal kingdom. Zebra can be seen grazing in grasses. Zebra mostly lives in grassland. Zebras can be seen in herds, rarely can be seen in singles. Zebra's stripes are unique. Zebra stripes help them to attract predators, and it can run easily from them. Cause when you see a herd of zebras running, your mind will collapse. This is how a zebra will trick a lion and escape from its sight. Cause every zebra will look the same, and the lion will be confused to which one to hunt. Next, we are going to see about giraffe. Yeah, you know, the tallest animal in the animal kingdom. The giraffe has the strongest kick, can kill a lion by its kick. The zebra's babies alone height up to 5 feet. It's almost the size of an average human. Giraffe can be seen grazing in trees and other things. Giraffes can be hunted by sometimes rarely lions. Lions bite their legs, which is used as a weapon. Then the giraffe falls down and the lion kills the giraffe and eats it. Next, we are going to see about hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the second most heaviest animal after elephant. Hippopotamus is a reddish pink color. Some hippopotamus can be seen sweating in red liquid. This red liquid is not actually blood. It is hippopotamus sweat. Some zookeepers in zoos think that the hippopotamus is injured, but it's not actually injured. Its sweat causes its red color because of its nature proteins. Hippopotamus can be seen in zoos. Zookeepers mostly feed watermelons to attract people. Hippopotamus can be seen smashing watermelons like cotton balls. Hippopotamus can be even defend their area, mostly aggressive, but it can be run so fast. Its running is no compared to its weight. Its weight is more, but it can run even fast. It can swim even fast in water. Hippopotamus can run up to 13 miles per hour. This is the speed of an average jeep. Next, we are going to see about Rhinosaurus. Rhinosaurus is the third most heaviest animal in the animal kingdom. Rhinosaurus' most used weapon is its horn and its front. Rhinosaurus has 2 horns. The first horn helps it to injure its prey. The second horn helps it to toss the prey off and kill it by a single slash. The rhinoceros can be seen smashing cameras because rhinoceros hate cameras, the glass in it, and rhinoceros also hate mobile light. Next we are going to say about monkey. Monkey is mostly compared to humans, and some people believe monkey as goats. Monkey can be seen stealing people's food and can be even seen eating it. Monkeys can be seen stealing stealthily because monkeys jump inside our houses in windows and takes the food from it and goes back. Well, some people in India think that the monkey did not steal it, but some thief has stolen it. But in reality, the monkey only has stolen it. Next, we are going to see about lynx. Lynx is the dangerous cat in the cat family. Lynx is the evolution of our house cat. House cat is mostly compared to lynx. Lynx can be seen hunting almost all small animals. This includes rats, birds, squirrels, other small animals. In fact, the lynx proves that the hunter can be hunted statement true, because the lynx, which is a hunter, can be hunted by other animals such as bear, eagle, wolf, and other many more big animals. Next we are going to see about wolf. Wolf is the largest canine in the canine family. Wolf's most common species is gray wolf. Wolves are mostly found in Arctic regions. Arctic regions includes polar region and other snowy areas. Wolves can be seen hunting deer and other animals which are herbivores. Wolf can be even seen scavenging bear's meat and other animals' meat. Scavenging means stealings or taking meat from other animals who hunted it. Wolf can be seen even talking to other wolves. Talking means howling. Wolves howl to indicate number of emotions, and even it can be howl to command its fellow wolves to do what and do when. Next we are going to see about mongoose. Mongoose can be seen commonly in some southern regions. Mongoose can be seen fighting snakes. Mongoose teeth are so poison that its poison can enough to kill 3 people. Mongoose can be seen even hunting snakes, but sometimes snakes wins. Mongoose can be hunted by other animals such as wolf, fox, and other big animals, but it's low chance because wolves and fox live in other region while mongoose lives in other region. Next we are going to say about jackal. Jackal is the second smallest cat in the canine family. Jackal is almost similar to wolf and fox at all times, except jackal can be only seen scavenging and be rarely seen hunting. Scavenging, I said the meaning. Scavenging, I'm saying it another time. Scavenging means stealing another hunter's food and eating it. Jackals can be sometimes seen hunting small animals very similarly to fox. Can be small animals, except fox cannot hunt mongoose. Sometimes mongoose wins because mongoose has a strong bite that its bite can cause bleeding, but jackal chases mongoose and bites its tail, which causing it to run out of its emotions, and jackal kills it. Next we are going to see about stag. Stag is the second largest animal in the deer family. The first largest animal was moose, but This time we are going to see about stag. Stag can be seen mostly similar to deer, except stag can be seen shedding their antlers. Antlers means their horns in their heads. Stag can be seen fighting with other fellow stags for mating. Stags' antlers stuck in other stags' antlers, causing it to collapse. But some people will cut their antlers off, helping it to move freely. Stag can be hunted by some hunters because its antlers can be sold for many good expenses. So mostly hunters will hunt it whenever they see it. Next we are going to see about gorilla. Gorilla is the second most similar actions to human. The first is chimpanzee that we will see later, but now gorilla. A group of gorilla is called a troop. What a group of gorilla is called? A group of gorilla is called troop. Gorillas are actually omnivores. But don't be afraid, it can't eat meat, but it will eat some insects. Anyway, insects have meat. So, gorillas are omnivores, and gorillas can be even seen eating fruits. Baby gorillas from 3 months, even from 3 months, can walk. Gorillas are extremely aggressive that it can kill a human without any trace of actions or bleeding. Next we are going to see about cheetah. Cheetah is the most speediest cat in the cat family. Not only in the cat family, but in the whole animal kingdom. It can run to its top speed in just 3 seconds, and it can go 13 miles just in 50 seconds. Cheetah can be seen hunting mostly zebras, deers, and sometimes it can be seen hunting stags. Cheetahs cannot be seen scavenging because cheetahs are hunters, not scavengers. Cheetahs are solitary animals. Solitary means I said it lives alone. Cheetahs only meet in mating section. Then those two cheetahs will separate apart. The mother will go with the baby. The father will survive alone in the wilderness. Cheetahs can be seen hunting sometimes deer. Sometimes cheetahs can be hunting deer, or sometimes cheetahs can be seen mercy killing. Mercy killing means killing a deer or eating a deer alive. This is called mercy killing. Next we are going to say about panda. Panda is an omnivore. Most people will say it is a herbivore. Yes, it's a herbivore. But when I see its teeth, it's actually the same teeth as a bear's. Bears are omnivores, and panda's DNA similarly is mostly similar to a bear's DNA. Pandas can be seen aggressive, but sometimes pandas can be seen adorable. Pandas chew their most time. Its favorite food is bamboo. Some zookeepers dress as panda to being mistaken by panda cubs. Pandas' high population are in China. In China, in most zoos, pandas are there. And Chinese people like pandas. That is the reason. Next we are going to see about koala. Koala is the laziest animal in the animal kingdom. It sleeps the half of its day and works only for 3 hours a day. Koalas can have a pouch just like a kangaroo to carry its babies. Koalas are the first animals to be affected in a forest fire because koalas live in trees. First the forest fire catches trees, after that it catches the ground. So koalas living in trees are affected. That's right, koala is going to extinct. Next we are going to see about chimpanzee. the closest relative to human in the animal kingdom. Chimpanzee has complex emotions and can most do anything a 3-year-old baby can do. Chimpanzees can be seen talking, but rarely only it can be seen talking. Only trained chimpanzees can talk. Chimpanzee is actually not a solitary animal, a group animal. Chimpanzee lives in groups. In most American zoos, you can see chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are KOS. KOS indicates kill on sight. If a chimpanzee escapes a zoo, the zookeepers should immediately take a gun and shoot the chimpanzee. Because chimpanzee can't be catched. It can be catched only by using nets and traps. Chimpanzees don't get affected by sleeping drugs or sleeping arrows. Chimpanzees are very aggressive that it can kill a human. Very brutal. Even lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah. These guys are even not kill on sight because these guys can be catched easily by sleeping drugs or sleeping arrows. But chimpanzees are not affected by any of these. Then we are going to see about hyena. Hyena is the third smallest animal canine in canine kingdom. The canines include, I said, wolf, jackal, hyena, fox, and other animals such as dog. Hyenas are scavengers, but rarely it can be seen hunting. Hyenas mostly lives in groups. Hyenas sometimes steal food from lions. Lions first hunt their food, and when lions sleep, the hyenas go and steal the food from the lions and escapes. Thus, hyenas can be seen rarely hunting. Hyenas are even extremely aggressive, equal to a wolf. Hyenas can be seen hunting deer just like a cheetah, mercy killing. Okay.